还有可能这样传。
You're here. This flight is on its way to one of our many destinations across the globe, made possible by our dedicated team members who all do it for one reason, you. That's why your safety and well-being are so important to us. Let's go through some in-flight instructions so we can get you safely on your way. First, make sure your seat is upright. All larger electronic devices are put away, and your tray table is stowed. Seat back device holders must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, and landing all the way under the seat in front of you. Larger carry-on luggage goes in the overhead bin. If you have small handheld devices, such as cell phones, tablets, and smartwatches, please switch them to airplane mode now. If your electronic device falls into your seat, please do not adjust your seat and contact a crew member for assistance. If you are seated at an over-wing exit, your window shade must remain open for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal ends into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. And remember, seatbelts should be fastened whenever you're seated in case of unexpected turbulence. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs and crew member instructions. All flights are non-smoking, including e-cigarettes. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. Doing so may result in a fine. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this airplane, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. But of course, don't hesitate to ask our crew members questions. This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. Take a moment to locate the nearest one, and keep in mind, it may be behind you. All door exits have evacuation slides to use in the unlikely event of an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane. In a water evacuation, life rafts are located in marked ceiling compartments. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit path lighting in the aisle will illuminate near the floor to guide you to an exit indicated by signs. Leave all belongings and proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen masks will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. You should always put on your mask before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Life vests are located under, next to, or between your seat. For help locating them, see your safety card. To remove the vest, pull the tab or compartment handle harness, remove the harness before opening the pouch. Take the vest out as shown on the safety card and put it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and pull tight. Once outside, pull the tab to inflate your vest or blow into the red tube. In the water, a light on your vest will automatically illuminate. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a crew member. See your safety card for more details on how to use it. We will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. Individual reading light controls are at each seat. It's our honor to care for you on your journey. If you have any questions, please refer to your safety card or ask any of the crew members as they do their final cabin check. And as always, let us know if there's anything we can do to make your time with us more enjoyable.
American Airlines le da la bienvenida nuevamente. Nos alegra que esté aquí. Este vuelo está en camino hacia uno de los muchos destinos en todo el mundo, hecho posible por los miembros de nuestro equipo dedicado que se encuentran motivados por una razón: usted. Por eso su seguridad y su bienestar son tan importantes para nosotros. Repasemos algunas instrucciones de vuelo para que podamos iniciar su viaje sin inconvenientes. Ante todo, ponga el respaldo de su asiento en posición vertical. Guarde los dispositivos electrónicos más grandes y mantenga su mesa plegada. Los soportes de dispositivos en la parte posterior del asiento deben plegarse durante el rodaje, el despegue y el aterrizaje. Si tiene equipaje de mano, colóquelo debajo y al fondo del asiento frente a usted. El equipaje de mano más grande va en el compartimento superior. Si tiene dispositivos portátiles pequeños como teléfonos celulares, tabletas y relojes inteligentes, cámbielos ahora a modo avión. Si su dispositivo electrónico, el despegue y el aterrizaje. Si aún no se abrochó el cinturón de seguridad, inserte la punta metálica en la hebilla y tire de la correa para que quede ajustado en las caderas. Para abrir,
watching our safety demonstration. The use of face covering on our aircraft is optional. We ask that whether you choose to wear face mask or not. Can you please respect your fellow passenger and the crew members' decisions? In the event oxygen mask drop from our compartment, remove your face mask before place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. In addition, federal regulation prohibits smoking, including the use of vaping devices, and any time on board the aircraft. Electronic smart devices may not be plugged into any power source, including USB ports and AC outlets. We're coming through the aisle for our safety check. We appreciate your choice American. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
MasterCard. If you are applying for the first time, you'll get an additional 500 miles. All you have to do is make a single purchase of any amount within the first 90 days of the account being opened. Also at this time, Barclays is waiving the $99 annual fee for the first year. So all you need to do is make a very small purchase and you're on your way to 50,500 miles. Now, this is enough miles for 2 domestic round-trip tickets plus taxes and fees. In addition to these bonus miles, other benefits include preferred boarding, your first checked bag for free for you and up to 4 companions on the same reservation, and up to $25 back on in-flight purchases. In addition, you'll also receive your companion ticket on your yearly annual anniversary. We have about 25 minutes left in our flight, so therefore we'll be walking through the cabin shortly with the applications. All you need to do is sign it, seal it, and hand it back to your flight attendant for expedited shipping, or feel free to apply online or use the QR code on the back of the application. All of these benefits are exclusive to this in-flight offer. You cannot find this specific offer online or at the airport, so we invite you to take multiple applications for family and friends that may not be with you today, as they are eligible to apply for this special offer as well, even though they may not be with you today. It's a fantastic way to earn 2 round-trip tickets on American Airlines. You can also still apply even if you already have the City Advantage MasterCard. So we thank you for your attention and we thank you for your patronage here at American Airlines. We'll be through the cabin shortly.
Device holders must be stowed for landing. We will now collect any items you wish to discard. Please put away larger electronic devices, including laptop computers. Secure smaller handheld devices in your hand or seat pocket. Devices such as cell phones, tablets, and smartwatches must remain in airplane mode until after we land. We will be landing soon.
Para prepararse para el aterrizaje, pliegue la bandeja y guarde el equipaje de mano. Coloque el asiento en la posición vertical original. Los soportes de dispositivos en la parte posterior del asiento deben plegarse durante el aterrizaje. Ahora recogeremos cualquier artículo que desee descartar. Por favor, guarde los dispositivos electrónicos más grandes, incluyendo las computadoras portátiles. Asegure los dispositivos más pequeños en la mano o en el bolsillo del asiento. Los dispositivos como teléfonos celulares, tabletas y relojes inteligentes deben permanecer en modo avión hasta después de aterrizar. Aterrizaremos pronto.
and cell phones. When you open the overhead compartment, be careful, as items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Por favor, permanezca sentado con su cinturón de seguridad abrochado hasta que la señal del cinturón de seguridad esté apagada y mantenga los pasillos libres de equipaje. Revise el bolsillo trasero del asiento para ver si no quedan artículos personales, como tablets o teléfonos celulares. Si abre un compartimento superior, tenga cuidado, ya que el equipaje de mano puede haberse desplazado durante el vuelo. Y gracias por elegir American Airlines.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Liberia Airport. The local time here is 12:36 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, ensure parking and gate, and the seatbelt signs turned off. Thank you for flying with us today. We hope to see you again on another American Airlines flight. Have a great day.